Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Anshika Mishra. Let's look at today's top medical news. Maternal inheritance linked to higher Alzheimer's disease risk, JAMA study finds. A new study by researchers from Mass General Brigham published in JAMA Neurology suggested that whether a person inherits risk of Alzheimer's disease from their mother or father influences risk of biological changes in the brain that leads to the disease. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive neurodegenerative disorder that primarily affects memory and cognitive function. It is characterized by the buildup of amyloid plaques and tau tangles in the brain. Research has indicated that individuals with a maternal history of Alzheimer's disease have an increased risk of developing the condition. This heightened risk is believed to be linked to genetic factors in mitochondrial DNA inherited from the mother. Mitochondria, which are crucial for cellular energy production, are exclusively inherited from the mother, and any mitochondrial dysfunction can contribute to the development and progression of Alzheimer's disease.
Are you also aspiring to excel in medical journalism and delve into the intricacies of health and medical reporting? Explore our comprehensive course on medical and health journalism available at the Medical Dialogues Academy. Learn from industry experts who possesses in-depth knowledge and experience in this field. For further details, scan the QR code provided or access the link in the description box below.
In the study, researchers examined the family history of older adults participating in the anti-amyloid treatment in asymptomatic Alzheimer's study, a randomized clinical trial aimed at preventing Alzheimer's disease. Participants were asked about the onset of memory loss symptoms in their parents, whether their parents were ever formally diagnosed or if there were autopsy confirmation of Alzheimer's disease. Researchers then compared these responses and measured amyloid levels in the participants. They found maternal history of memory impairment at all ages and paternal history of early onset memory impairment was associated with higher amyloid level in the asymptomatic study participants. Researchers further observed that having only a paternal history of late onset memory impairment was not associated with higher amyloid level. If your father had early onset symptom, that is associated with elevated level in offspring. However, it doesn't matter when your mother started developing symptoms. If she did at all, it's associated with elevated amyloid. It's really interesting from a genetic perspective to see one sex contributing something the other sex isn't. This work indicates that maternal inheritance of Alzheimer's disease may be an important factor in identifying asymptomatic individuals for ongoing and future prevention trial, said the authors. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.